Hey guys,
Yo,
we're
can I
getting
be-
a free pumpkin from someone so he can be featured on my channel.
Yeah.
And here it is.
Sir.
Damn,
Add me,
fuck
okay?
up.
Add me.
Okay,
Go away.
Jester hat.
Oh crap.
Fuck up.
What happened? Oh.
I just glitched so bad.
Yeah.
love you so.
What's your username? Oh,
Wait,
How
I'm gonna add you.
do you get Revoco?
Pumpkin.
Trading pumpkin.
Oh.
Trading pumpkin.
okay, I can't.
You want me to join you, or should you join me?
I'll join you.
Okay.
One sec.
Trading pumpkin.
Okay. You want to have a lot of money.
Sorry, my game had to update.
Yeah,
I'll be there in
it's
a
okay,
sec.
bro.
It's just got done updating.
Wait, what? Like,
Not Animal Company, sorry. I'm talking to my friend.
oh yeah.
Okay,
it's
join a
me.
random code and I'll join you. Join, not random,
Yeah.
join private.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna join.
They're gonna steal it, bro. Don't do it. This guy's gonna steal it. This reindeer's gonna steal it. Don't do it.
So this guy's giving me a pumpkin. He's being very, very nice.
Yo, what's up? I'm here. Okay.
One sec.
Yeah, bro. It's okay. I can wait.
Okay, so it's Eclectic Fusion Games. Search up Animal Company leaks. I am like known for my leaks right now. Because I got like 5 leaks videos with all a bunch of new updates.
Wait, are you like recording right now?
Yeah, I am.
Are you gonna post it?
Yeah.
Yo, bro.
Someone gives me a pumpkin. That'll be the title. I got the pumpkin.
Yes.
Something like that.
Because you're a YouTuber, I'm gonna give you a special of 3 pumpkins.
Okay, cool. What do you got? Okay, that's a lot. Thanks.
You'll take 4, bro. Just because you're a YouTuber.
Thank you so much. You'll see
And
this
just so
video
you
up.
know, you can just put one of your pumpkins out.
Oh,
You can just like, you don't need to grab them up. You can just put your bag over them. Look,
I know. I think. There we go.
it's
Well,
much faster.
They're adding lockers so you don't lose your valuable pumpkins when you're trying to fight monsters.
Okay.
Well, see ya. I
Yeah,
gotta
bro.
go record another video.
W?
Bye.
Yes, sir, bro. Bye, bro.
Said I won't be coming.